We're going to run a PickFu test right now. I want you to guess, what do you think the vote count difference is going to be?
I think that
it's not quite exactly what we're looking for. Nobody cares except the one keyword. This label is to us in its current form. So we have two options. What we should do from here is find a lookalike product that does it well. So mosquito killer, and type that into Amazon. So it's not quite exactly what we're looking for, but it's pretty decent. I found a good keyword here. Type in mosquito killer liquid. So some of the ads that I got a little bit different result than you did. My result was a little bit stronger, but that one in blue is semi-decent. Keep scrolling down. Let's see if we can find it. So the one on the right, Bug Stop, that one's decent. The Malathon on the left's okay. The one that I have on my screen, I'm going to take the screen share because I think it's better than yours. And that is the Mosquito Delito product right here, right?
Yeah.
So you can clearly see the mosquito. You can clearly see the word mosquito. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to run a PickFu test right now. Okay. I'm going to log into PickFu. I'm going to show how much better their product CTR is by running this PickFu test. Okay, so we're going to do design your own poll here, and we're going to load the options, and I can even control V. That's a nice upgrade they did. All right, and then I got to go back to your product, which is this one. Copy image and paste. Okay, so I like it if they're sized identically, so it's not technically ideal, but theirs is going to win. Okay, so I want you to guess, what do you think the vote count difference is going to be?
I think the left product it will be.
So the way you word the question can impact the results. So one way we could ask the question is, which product would you rather buy? Another way we could ask the question is, which product would you rather click on?
Yeah.
But I honestly don't know how much that would influence the results here. So we'll just ask the buy question. We're going to do 50 random people, random audience, just for the fastest turnaround on the results here. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to click that, and our friends over at PickFu have given us some credits. So shout out to them. If you guys want to get 50% off your own PickFu, pickfu.com/myamazonguy to get that code. Anyway, so what's really cool about this is how fast the results are going to come in. And you're going to see the data collected here, and you'll see, how many people are, actively taking. I'll hit refresh here. We should even have 20 results before we get out the call here. Okay.
Wow.
And so theirs is not readable. Theirs is. Okay. And this is blown up, mind you, right? Like this is the bigger version of it. But our goal is to get the keyword this easy to read on the listing. This smaller product is easier to read than their bigger product, right? Even though it's subtle, but it is. But I still can't see mosquito, right? Like they focus so much on, like if we blow up their image, right? Let's go to their image and like zoom in on it, right? Like there's so much going on here.
Yeah.
Right? Like they're like, oh, it can be used for these machines, and the mosquitoes are cartoons, and then there's like this recycling angle that nobody cares about, right? What we need to do is to simplify this so that it looks more like the orange, odor products, right? More like this. Nobody cares except the one keyword, odor eliminator. Makes 4, right? Makes 4 bottles. Cool. Maybe. Not as important. But it's clear what we need to do with this. So we'll wait for the poll result come in. We'll look at that. And then how I would change this product is I would have the accessory or some sort of squirting action spraying a giant mosquito. The mosquito needs to be about 15% of the image size. It needs to be in the corner, right? So we're looking at, if an image is 2,000 pixels, I want to see the mosquito take up 300 pixels. Okay. Needs to be most likely a real mosquito, but a cartoon might work. And then it needs to be sprayed. So there's a spraying action going on. Okay. If the image of the product needs to move a little bit to the left to get some of the action, no problem. Okay. Then this label is useless to us in its current form. So we have two options. Option one, we throw in some packaging, which we don't know if this ships in packaging or not based on the listing. It probably doesn't. So we could white box right here. So we'll go over to myamazonguy.com/img, where we've got some photo examples to look at. So like the smudge stick example, where we put a white box and we just throw the info there. That would be one option. Another option is we replace the label with the keyword just like this. You can smell the difference, cooking, baking sheets right there. With this one, we just edited the current label and just added the keyword and made it gigantic. And then we threw on what it's for, age 6 to 12. And you can see inside of the Happy Me journal there. So that can be helpful. Here's our votes. They're coming. We got 17 people actively voting on this.
Wow.
Okay. And yeah, out to an early lead, can you say?
Yeah.
14-3. Okay. And when we read their comments to see why, we're going to see handle and spout. We're going to see professional, higher quality, readable. Right. That's the one I'm looking for right there. I'm going to bookmark that one. Okay. Readable. The design is more attention grabbing. Boom. That's the sort of thing we're looking for. We're going to ignore the accessory comments because that's not exactly what we're looking for.